Productions Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do the ultimate breakfast burrito. Very simple, very easy, but it is the ultimate breakfast burrito. We're going to do it on our Steelmadeusa griddle. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the ultimate breakfast burrito. Supporting cast is as follows. Of course, we gotta have our extra large tortillas here. Buy them at most grocery stores. I got a whole onion cut up here. I got one large, just regular russet potato. And I got some sausage. You can use whatever sausage you like. I'm just using regular premium pork breakfast sausage. You can use chorizo. You can use all kinds of stuff. I'm using 6 eggs in this. Some cheese, so a little bit of salsa, salt and pepper to taste, and some sour cream. Add a little bit of creaminess to it. But that's all the ingredients. We're going to get started on this. I need to get my potatoes on because that's going to take the longest to cook. Other than that, follow me over to the grill. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm over here at my Steelmadeusa griddle. If you guys want one of these products, very simple. Just click on the link in my description. It'll take you to the website. It'll give you your 10% off. Tell them Big Tone sent you. But hey guys, let's get started with this. I'm going to put a little bit of oil down here. And we're going to get our potatoes on. I got this on about a medium heat, guys. And we're going to put our onions on. Back here. And we're going to give this a little bit of time. It doesn't take long to do the onions. But the potatoes are going to take a little bit. And I'm going to try to get them in one layer here. Because I want them to sit there and brown. Then I'll flip them over. Alright, so I got my potatoes and my onions on. We'll be back in a second. I'll get my meat on here. That doesn't take very long to brown up. But we'll get it taken care of. I'll show you when the potatoes start to get brown and I'll flip them over. My onions I moved to the middle because they're done. I'm going to put my sausage on back there. I'm using half a pound of sausage here. Forgive my arm, sorry guys. Alright, so we're just going to get this browned up here. And you see my potatoes there, they're starting to turn a little bit. So before they get, and I'm sure they're brown on the other side, I'm going to season this side up just a little bit. A little salt. Pink Himalayan, you know how I get down. And some fresh black pepper. Flip those over. Look at those potatoes, oh my God. Again, I'm going to try to get them all into one layer here so they cook a little bit more evenly. Go back to my sausage and chop some of that up a little bit. Put a little oil on my sausage, add a little fat to it. Alright, we're going to let those cook for a second. I'm going to go over here and get my eggs cracked and scrambled here. My sausage is done. My onions are done. I put them both in the middle just to keep them warm. And I got my potatoes here. They're just about done. And I'll add that to the onions and the sausage. And then we'll incorporate our eggs there. Get like a scramble. And then we'll throw it in the burrito and get it popping. All my ingredients, my onions and my sausage and my potatoes are all done. So I'm going to incorporate my eggs here. Like I said, I'm using 6 eggs. Alright, so we're going to cook these up until the eggs get done. I like to add all these to the mix at one time, where some people like to keep the components separate. I like to add them to the mix at one time, and that way I can just add it all to the burrito. We're going to let those eggs cook for just a minute. In the meantime, we're going to get our tortillas on the grill. Alright, so over here, throw on one of my tortillas here. We're going to get that nice and warm. Stir up my mixture here, cook these eggs in. Ah, yeah, look at that. Oh my God. Looking good, looking good, looking good. So what I'm going to do now, eggs are just about fully cooked. I'm going to move everything to the center here, just so it stays warm. That's what I love about the Steelmade. It's got warm spots and hot spots on it. You can control your heat that way. Alright, so we're going to let that sit. Get our tortilla nice and warm. Alright, so my tortilla is nice and warm here. We're going to we got that on the plate. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little dollop of daisy here. A little dollop of sour cream right there. Spread it out on my tortilla a little bit. I'm going to add a little base layer of cheese. This is just a Mexican style cheese, as you can see. And then I'm going to go over to the griddle here and get some filling. There you go. So for me, I like another little dollop of daisy on here. And I'm going to pour just a tad bit of salsa on it. Woo! Now I'm going to roll this up here. Rolling is easy. Don't be intimidated by the rolling. So we're just going to take it, fold the ends in. Yep. Put this more in the center. Fold the sides in. And we're just going to roll it. There you go, breakfast burrito. There you go, the ultimate breakfast burrito. Sausage, a little bit of potatoes, some egg, onion, sour cream, salsa, some cheese. You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to get that for you. The ultimate breakfast burrito. No time at all on the Steelmade USA griddle, guys. I'm going to stop talking. I just don't want to bite. Oh, man. Oh, that's awesome, guys. Hey, it's quick, fast, and easy on the Steelmade USA griddle. 10-15 minutes and you're done. Hey, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Toad signing off. Peace.